This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds for a sneak peek of the 2025 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show. Here at the Florida State Fairgrounds, the excitement is already building for the 2025 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show. Setup is underway and crews are busy preparing hundreds of the newest RVs, trucks, and even motorcycles for this weekend's big event. The FRVTA hosts the only multi-dealer RV shows in Florida. This one is happening right at the Florida State Fairgrounds, June 19th through the 22nd. 10 of the top local dealerships are bringing their best inventory, spanning every RV type and price range. Whether you're shopping for a luxurious Class A motorhome, a family-friendly Class C, or a nimble Class B van, a lightweight towable trailer, or a destination trailer, you will find it here. Fifth wheels, toy haulers, teardrops, and truck campers. There is something here for everyone. If you're thinking about making the switch to RV life or upgrading your current rig, this is the show to attend. It's your one-stop shop to compare makes and models, talk directly with dealership staff, and take advantage of special show pricing that's only available this weekend. But it's not just RVs. You'll also find a selection of tow vehicles and even motorcycles, perfect for pairing with your RV lifestyle. Plus, RV lifestyle vendors will be here with parts, accessories, camping gears, solar, RV resorts, and travel services. Everything you need to hit the road in comfort and style. It's also a great chance to talk with experts. Whether you've got questions about towing capacity, off-grid upgrades, or financing options, you'll find knowledgeable people ready to help. If you've never been to an RV show before, don't worry. It's a laid-back, family-friendly event. You can take your time, tour as many RVs as you like, and get a real feel for what might work for you. Bring your walking shoes. You'll want to explore every corner of the show. And don't forget, daily door prizes will be given away every day of the event just for attending. Stop by the iPad table when you walk in to register for a chance to win. Whether you're attending solo, with family, or with friends, this is the perfect summer event to dream, explore, and maybe even take home your next RV. The 2025 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is being held at the Florida State Fairgrounds June 19th through 22nd. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 to 4. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the home page. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.